Hi viewers, welcome to Pallavi Maths. Today I am going to explain you after SLC which course is best and which course is suit for you. Up to SLC you don't have any options, but after SLC you have a lot of options. If you are interested in social studies, you can go for arts. If you are interested in business studies, you can go for commerce. If you are interested in science stream, you can go for science. You can choose diploma, you can choose ITI. Lot of options are there. So when you are going for diploma, here so many courses are there. If you choose diploma, here diploma course is for 1 year, 2 year and 3 years. Okay. So not diploma means so many students thought it's a 3-year courses. No, it's for 1 year course is also there, 2 years and 3 years is also there, and even 4 years is also there. Okay, diploma, lot of courses are there: electronics, mechanical, computer science, civil, acting, medical laboratory and technology, physiotherapy, medical radio diagnosis, cyber law, yoga, health inspector, DGO, orthopedics, fashion design. Yes, if you are interested in fashion design, then you can choose diploma in fashion design. Okay, hotel management also there, diploma in hotel management. Next, journalism. If you are interested in agriculture, yes, you can choose diploma in agriculture. If you are interested in Ayurvedic, you can choose diploma in Ayurvedic pharmacy. Still lot of options are there. Diploma. After diploma, you are asking, after completing 3 years of diploma, what we can do? Yes, you can choose BE. Okay, Bachelor of Engineering. Bachelor of Engineering means you thought this is diploma 3 years plus this one engineer 4 years. No, it is not 4 years. After completing your diploma, you can go for lateral entry. Lateral entry for BE. What is the meaning of lateral entry? Lateral entry means directly after completing your diploma, directly you can jump 2 years, second year of BE. Okay, you don't need to study first year. Directly you can jump second year. So second year, third year, 4 year. So diploma plus BE. Diploma plus BE. So diploma is 3 years plus engineer is 3 years. So within 6 years, you can complete this one. After BE, yes, after BE also you are interested to continue your education. Yes, you can continue. You can continue. You can do MTech or else ME, Master of Engineering. You can continue your education. Okay. After diploma, you can join BE. After completing your BE, you can do masters also. Next, second one is ITI. What is the meaning of ITI? Yes. Here also a lot of options are there. Okay, ITI course. After completing ITI is 2 years. 2 years and even 3-year course is also there. Everyone thought after completing ITI we can jump for job. Yes, obviously you can go for job. And if you are interested, you need to continue your education. Yes, you can go. You can continue. After ITI, you can join for diploma and here also lateral entry. Already I said lateral entry means directly you can jump for second year. Okay. After ITI, you can go for PU also. I think after ITI, PUs is waste of time. Directly you can go jump for diploma. After that, engineering. Engineering. After that, if you are interested to continue your education, you can go for MTech. Okay. Next is PUC. So in PU, art subject. If you are interested in history, economics, Kannada, English, if you are interested, then you can select art subject. Okay. Here, group 1, history, economics, sociology, political science. This is one group. History, economics, logic, Sociology is another group. Similarly, optional Kannada. Next to political science. Next to psychology. If you are interested in psychology, you can take psychology. Okay. If you are interested in music, yes, you can choose Hindustani music. But one condition is there. What is that? Basic English. If you can choose any combination here. Okay. You can select group 1 or group 2 or group 3 or group 4, anything. Along this, basic English is a compulsory language subject. So this is compulsory language subject. And one more, you can select Kannada or Hindi or Sanskrit, Marathi, Urdu, French. So which subject you can interested, you can choose in this. Okay, but English is compulsory. After arts, you will get, after completing your PU, which you need to select. So you can go for BA, Bachelor of Arts, or else you can go for BCom also, and you can go for BBA also, related to the subjects. Okay. Next, if you are interested in commerce, economics, if you are interested in business studies, statistics, if you are interested, you can go for commerce stream. Okay. Here also options are there. Along with English is compulsory subject, and one more is you can choose any languages in Kannada, French, Hindi, Urdu. You can choose any one languages. After commerce, you can go for BCom or BA or BBM, BCA, BHM, Bachelor of Hotel Management. You can choose, you can go for any stream. Next one is science, and it is very interesting topics. Science, if you need to go for MBBS, your main aim is want to become doctor, then you have only one option. That one is you need to select PCMB. If you select biology, then only you can go for MBBS. Sorry. Understood? So if you take any other subject, arts, commerce, you can't go for MBBS. If you select PCMB, not PCME, PCMCOs, PCBH, you can't. If you take this, you can't go for MBBS. If you want to become a doctor, famous surgeon, you need to select PCMB. Sorry, MB. Okay. P means physics, C means chemistry, M means mathematics, B means biology. If you select this combination, then only you can go for MBBS. Okay. Next, other science stream is PCME. E means electronics, CS means computer science, H means home science. Okay. Here, if you feel biology is very tough topics to you, then you can choose computer science, or else electronics, or else home science. After completing your PU, you can go for, already I said MBBS, other one is engineer, BE, okay, or else you can jump for commerce stream also, BCom, I will say BE. After that, you can jump for BSc, okay. So after you can jump for commerce stream also. After completing BCom, if you're not interested in BCom, you can go for BBA, BCA, BHM. Next, you can jump for R stream also, BA, okay. But if you took commerce, you can't go for BA. If you took commerce, you can't go for BSc. But if you took science subject, after completing your PU, you can choose R stream also, art stream, or else commerce stream also. Next, after completing your degrees, you can do master degree related to your topics. And one more thing, if you need to do KS or IAS, Any civil services, SI, okay. So here we don't have any conditions. You need to do science stream, math stream, commerce stream, art stream. Nothing is their condition. And even MBBS students also can do KS, IAS, any social, civil services. But only one condition is there is you need to do degree. It may be BA, it may be BCA, it may be BE, it may be MBBS, anything. But you need to complete your degree. After completing your degree, you can do KS, IAS, KPS, okay, anything, any social services job you can do after completing your degree. I hope this video is helpful to you because you have a lot of confusions. What we need to choose after our SLC is a little bit idea I gave in this video. So if you are interested in agriculture, yes, you can do a BSc in agriculture, diploma in agriculture. Okay. Next, if you are interested in pharmacy, you can do BSc in pharmacy, next to veterinary, BSc in agriculture, so BSc in nursing. Okay, lot of options is there. I hope all of you get some idea. Thank you everyone.